In this tutorial, I will guide you how to deploy a GitHub project on Vercel. So ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now, starting from GitHub, I'm just going to create a project. So I'll select here, create project, and then I'll give the repository name. So I'll just create a simple to-do list app. I'll just name it like this. I'm not going to write a description. So this is a quick tutorial. So I'll select create repository. Now let's just upload an existing file. So I'll just choose the file that is available on my PC. So here the index.html file for a to-do list. Just click open. And then the index will be uploaded into our repository. Now let's deploy this project into our Vercel. So just commit changes. Now once you commit to changes, now here's our project. Now we want to just deploy this project into Vercel. So select start deploying. Now I'll continue with GitHub since I don't have an account with Vercel. So just continue with GitHub. And then I'll just authorize Vercel. As you can see, my GitHub page is open on the same browser. That's why it's easy to authorize. So I'll just select authorize Vercel. Now once you authorize Vercel, you should see an option here to install. Just click install GitHub, scroll down. You can either choose all repositories or only select repository. So I'm going to select only select repository, and I'll choose the to-do list web app. Just scroll down and click install. Now once you finish, you should see an option here to import. So click import, and then scroll down. You can choose either the application, but I'm going to just select other since it's just a simple HTML for the to-do list, and then select deploy. It's going to take some few minutes. Just wait for the deployment to finish. Now once the deployment has finished, you should see a congratulations message here. As you can see, you just deployed a new project, which is this one. So if I go to continue to dashboard, you can see here is my GitHub project, which has been deployed on Vercel. I can choose to visit the website which I've created from the domain. You can see here. So if I click to that link, you can see here is my simple to-do list. I can just create a project like video editing, and then just select add, and then it will be added here. So it's very easy. That's how you can deploy a GitHub project to Vercel. Let me know in the comment section if it has helped you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.